At Novatech, innovation is at the heart of our vision. We are proud to present you our new 2022 products, as well as our latest projects that will help make your job easier and provide you with the tools you need. In 2022, Novatech will be launching 8 new Doorglass models, including 5 silk screens and 3 stained glasses. Our 2022 silk screens offer a modern look and precise details that only screen printing can achieve. The new window, side, and equation linear designs offer a contemporary style and refined look, while the patterns of the mist and the textile models will give your front door a unique look. Our 2022 stained glass windows, always handcrafted, will give your home a prestigious look. The Bolero and Nobel stained glass windows are perfect for more contemporary homes, while the portrait model has a more classic style. For more information on our new door windows, attend one of our webinars or contact your representative. Our high-performance door is the result of many years of innovation and know-how at Novatech. We know that its unique design requires some adaptations to the door frame that differs from the industry standard, and this is why we have developed an aluminum template that will help you assemble the high-performance door frames. The template will allow you to work on a stable reference surface and will guarantee you a perfect assembly every time. The template is also fully adjustable and can be used for 79 or 80-inch high doors with a width between 32 and 42 inches. For a demonstration, contact your representative or the marketing department. Novatech has been producing and distributing patio doors for over 30 years. Our most recent collection includes 2 high-end door models with aluminum frames, the loft door and the Urbania door. This fall, we also added to this collection the Urbania panoramic door, our largest door to date with its 4 sashes and a maximum width of 16 feet. We are very pleased to announce that in early 2022, we will be launching a brand new version of our current design center. This new version of our door configurator will have a more modern, simple, and intuitive look. It will also benefit from the addition of 3D product visualization and the creation of accounts to save and share your creations, in addition to being adapted to all types of devices. Stay tuned so you don't miss our official launch. This year, a lot of our clients joined our customer center, so we will continue to improve the platform over the next year to make it as responsive as possible to your needs. Don't forget that since this fall, you can also see our lead times in your account at any time. If you haven't already done so, don't hesitate to subscribe now by visiting our website. If you have any questions about our new products, or if you would like to attend one of our training sessions, please contact your representative or write us at info@novatechgroup.com. To find a retailer who sells our products, simply go to our website and click on Retailer List in the upper right corner. Novatech, since 1982,